Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, Jamie here today. In this video, we would like to share the work we already finished, fixed and upgrade in Mercedes B180 series. This one belonged to generation 2012 and 2018. The car come to us with the factory screen, which is removed here, and factory radio, CD player and amplifier over here, but this one was faulty and leading to the black screen before, and no sound at all, no reverse camera at all. Even the car has the factory camera as well, so technically nothing was working. Black screen, no sound. We spent time to do all the related checks for the fuse and the relay. We found that most of the fuse are okay. One of the fuse missing for the center console and radio section, but it couldn't help to bring back the factory radio, CD player and amplifier here and screen. So we fix and upgrade with the new 10-inch, technically it is 10.2 inch signature model with the wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto very fast, and also it comes with the new Pioneer D-Class 4-channel high resolution audio installed to power up all the speakers. Very nice. The sound system is better than factory before, and also we install a new Full HD anti-glare super wide angle night vision reverse camera into the car, into the same factory camera location. So at this moment everything is already fixed, upgrade, and running at the higher level of the performance and specification. The head unit screen is a lot more advanced in terms of the functionality and the performance, and also it connects very well to the car's computers and signal. It connects to the sound system really nice, and of course it connects and support the new camera in the best way. The new camera stay at the back end and looking just like the factory camera in the same location, but it's a lot different and better camera. Some of the steering wheel control on the steering wheel still working well to the new system, which is the phone answer, phone drop and voice command. But those three buttons on the side here, they don't work with the new system anymore because they connect to the factory CD player, AM/FM module and amplifier here. So we would say that's still very much the certification, because it already been agreed with the owner about how it would be done at the end. We test everything working well before we actually do the fix and upgrade, and the owner was happy with what we explained before, and it is exactly as it is now. It's working beautifully, it stays nicely, and it works very fast, very efficient. Now talking about the radio, the new system is also combined with a digital radio system, which has currently we test and we scan with 87 radio channels in Sydney around our workshop area. 87 channels including AM, FM, multiple of them working really nice. So that is sufficient enough to forget about the functional of the AM FM from the factory unit here, because it is totally not responding, not connecting to anything, it's just there for the cosmetic look. So with the new system fully working, fully connect to almost of the steering wheel button and fully connect to the car computer signal, fully support to the speaker, fully support to the new camera. That is pretty much everything we expect to call a fix and a big upgrade into the car. So it is about B180 Mercedes, and Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the process, how we remove the stuff, it is in the videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.